Dhaba Soul. I'm your host Omkar, and today's plan is to go for a ride, a short ride of 150-60 kilometers approximately. I'm gonna start riding from Mumbai, and I'll be taking NH8, that is also called Mumbai-Ahmedabad Highway, and approximately 155 kilometers away there is, you reach the border of the state border of Maharashtra and Gujarat. At that border, apparently one of my friend Aditya told me that there is a Parsi Dhaba. The name of the place is Parsida Dhaba, and it's pretty famous for the Parsi food, the specialty. What I have decided is I'm gonna ride till there because it's a beautiful atmosphere. थोड़ी हल्की बारिश है, थोड़ा हल्का बीच में sunny हो रहा है. So it's really nice. It's very beautiful, and for one reason I love Mumbai-Ahmedabad highway is because it's a 3-lane highway and it's straight. There are curves, but not like Mumbai-Goa highway जहाँ पे घाट आते हैं and you have to ride through the mountains, through the ghat. This ride is kind of pretty easy ride, pretty enjoyable ride, even for a mature rider, even for a newbie rider, you can say. For example, if you have bought a new bike and if you have passion for riding and if you just want to start riding, this would be an amazing ride to start with. It's not too far, it's not too close, it's 160 kilometers approximately, and सब यहीं बताऊंगा तो फिर बाद में क्या बताऊंगा. Anyways, one more thing that I want to tell you is my childhood friend Ameya. Ameya is my school friend actually. हम लोग का स्कूल में एक ग्रुप था, like नीलेश, विक्रम, वैभवी, विनायकी, चैताली, अजय, मकरन, तुषार, समिधा, अक्षय, a lot of people. So हम लोग सब almost we have been friends for over 2 decades now, and yes, Ameya is one of them. Okay, right now the time is 7 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna pick up Ameya by 8, and then we are gonna head towards Gujarat. Alright, I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm right outside Ameya's place. I'm waiting for him. So as soon as he comes, he will leave from here, we'll fill fuel, and then we'll head towards Vapi. Oh, here he is. Right guys, we are at Dahisar Cheknaka now. Okay, so it's approximately 8:15 and now we are heading towards Vapi. So I'll catch you soon, alright? So we are on Western Express Highway near Mira Road. अभी हम लोग काशीमीरा signal पहुँचेंगे. Actually, we won't be crossing the signal because there is a flyover, so we'll be taking that flyover. We are on Chena Bridge. That's the Chena Creek that you can see, and this is one of the oldest bridges near Mumbai. We are heading towards Virar, so Vasai, Nalasopara, Virar, that part on the highway. यार सिटी लिमिट के बाहर आने के बाद कितना अच्छा लगता है. What a beautiful road, what a beautiful scenery. Wow, it's just amazing. It's just amazing. Now we are approximately 20 kilometers away from Talasri, where we are going. Okay, guys, right now it's 10:15. हम लोग ने बीच में 2 हॉल्ट लिए. So अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 2 घंटा 100 किलोमीटर. सो मतलब हम लोग 80-90 कर रहे थे बीच में, बट एक एवरेज स्पीड पकड़ के चले तो हॉल्ट वगैरह का टाइम पकड़ के चले तो 2 घंटे का टाइम में हो गया है, और एक 15-20 मिनट का रास्ता है. सो एनीवेज, अभी यहाँ पे ज़्यादा रुकेंगे नहीं हम लोग. वी हैव टू गो अहेड एज वेल. सो आई विल सी यू गाइज इन अ बिट. Okay guys, Parsida Dhaba is on the right side if you are heading towards Gujarat on the Mumbai-Ahmedabad highway. So we have to take a U-turn, alright? And then leave the highway, get on the service road near HP petrol pump. And then you'll see a big board that says Parsida Dhaba Chills and Grills. That's where we are going. Hey guys, what's up? So finally we are exactly like 155 kilometers away from Mumbai at Parsida Dhaba. Okay, so that's the दूध puff. ये मेरे को मालूम नहीं था, मैंने बताया तो अभी हम लोग वो खा रहे पी रहे. I don't know what to say. I see a well. Let's see. अरे बाप रे, ये तो बहुत गहरा है. Fuck. This is a nice place. I think it's a fire pit. It must be a fire pit. It's amazing, guys. You know what? You seriously need to try this over here. Okay. So basically, what I can tell you about this place is this place is on Mumbai-Ahmedabad highway, around 155 kilometers away from Mumbai, so towards Gujarat. It's exactly on the border of Maharashtra and Gujarat. So it's close by for Mumbai from Gujarat, like Ahmedabad, Surat or Baroda, and also close from Pune or anywhere, you know where you stay, so you just can count like how far it is. This is a good place for a brunch ride or for a lunch ride because एक तो 2 से 3 घंटों में तुम पहुंच जाओगे यहाँ पे. Second thing, the highway is really amazing. It's a 3-lane highway and you can just keep on going. Now I ride an old make standard 350, so मैं ज़्यादा भगा नहीं सकता. 80-90 is the max that I ride at. So 2 hours, 3 hours tops. That's it. यहाँ से दहानू का बीच भी बहुत नज़दीक है. So if you wanna spend your day on the beach, this is an amazing idea, guys. Well, anyways, अभी हम लोग ने दूध पफ ऑर्डर किया था, फिर अकुरी ऑर्डर किया था. अकुरी is the Parsi style burji. So we are gonna have that, and I'll talk to you guys in a bit. There's a food. Akuri, roti, kanda nimbu, pav, and akuri again. Cheers. This is nice. Hello people. Actually हम लोग का brunch हो गया है. Now we are gonna order some desserts. I'm gonna have the caramel custard because it looks delicious and I kind of like it. मेरी बहन भी बहुत अच्छा बनाती है caramel custard, so I'm gonna try that over here. Yummy. Oh, yummy. It's really nice. Oh, beautiful rain. क्या बात है, मस्त ठंडी हवा बह रही है. So simply beautiful atmosphere. Everyone will enjoy no matter what. Hey guys, what's up? So after all that filling brunch, we are gonna head back home. The roads are wet actually, and I'm pretty sure कि पूरे रास्ते में अभी कीचड़ भरा होगा. It'll be all muddy and slippery. So guys, if you're riding in monsoons, please be careful. Please do not ride rash. संभाल के चलाओ यार. In the end, we don't want any of our ride to be the last ride. We want to keep riding as long as we live, right? So stay safe, ride safe, and well, right now, Ameya, what time is it? 12:40. So yeah, late हो गया थोड़ा, but it's okay. 2:30-3 बजे तक घर पे पहुंच जाएंगे आराम से, टाइम पास करते करते जाएंगे तो भी. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, take care. Oh wow, this is beautiful. हल्की हल्की बारिश है, drizzle हो रहा है, and what a view, guys. Wow, it is so damn beautiful. महाराष्ट्र चेकपोस्ट पुढे आहे. किसी को बाइकर्स के जान की कदर ही नहीं होती। Hey guys, so I'm back in Mumbai. I'm at Mahesh's garage. This pit stop is like, it's a mandate thing, you know. Every time I start a ride, I start it from here. From my place I come here and then I go for the ride. And then when I come back from the ride, I stop here for a while and then I go home. So I just came back and well, I dropped Ameya and I came here. So well, I'm too tired and dehydrated actually. वहाँ से निकलने के बाद, गुजरात से निकलने के बाद अभी तक पानी भी नहीं पिया है. It's been what, 3 hours almost, yeah, 2 hours actually, 2.5 hours, and more than 150 kilometers. So anyways, घर पे जाके fresh होके I'll catch you guys. So I'm back home, fresh हो गया, अभी थोड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. Well, the ride was really fun. It wasn't tiring at all, but it was really fun. The beautiful view and everything, I really enjoyed a lot. We both actually, मज़ा आ गया बहुत. If you like this episode, if you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our soul, share this video guys, and follow us on Instagram and like our page on Facebook as well. And please guys, keep your love and support as you have been doing for almost a year now. And yes, in a couple of weeks Asshole will be 1 year old, so I don't know, I'm still clueless about what to do and what not to do, but if you have any idea in mind, so do let me know. What should we do rather for our first anniversary? It's gonna be a really big thing, so let me know guys. Okay, well, it's time to go, but I'll see you guys next Friday as always. Till then, take care. Ciao.